I'm going to do a demo of swapping tokens on Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange built on blockchain. I'm on the Uniswap homepage, uniswap.org, and to do my swap, I'm going to click on this Launch App button in the top right. Then I'm going to click the Get Started button to start swapping tokens. The first thing I'm going to do is select which blockchain network I want to use. In the top right, click on this down arrow next to the word Ethereum, and you can see different blockchain networks. I'm going to do the Polygon network because Polygon offers cheaper and faster transactions. It is a layer 2 blockchain. Once I've selected my blockchain network, I'm going to connect my wallet. Connecting your wallet to Uniswap allows it to read your token balances and to send your wallet requests, like swapping tokens, which we'll do in a few seconds. Now I'm going to go to this swap box in the middle. In the top, it is the tokens I want to swap out of or what I want to exchange. It defaults to Matic, the native token of Polygon. If I want to change it, I can click on this down arrow. Today I'm going to choose Matic. In the bottom box, you select the token that you want to receive and return for the swap. Today I'm going to choose DAI, a stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar. And then I can enter the amount in the top or the bottom. I'm going to just select 5 DAI. And then the top box will automatically populate how much Matic I need to swap to receive 5 DAI. Now I'm going to click the swap button. I'm going to review the details of my swap and click Confirm Swap. Then I'm going to review the details in MetaMask and click Confirm. The transaction is submitted. I can add DAI to my wallet if I do not have the DAI token in there yet. I will do this, add token, and then I will close. And that's it.